Guys, and welcome to Eagle Eye FX. So in today's video I want to share with you a small account that I'm trying to grow. Okay, I'm trying to grow this account. Initially my target was to grow this account to $100, of which I've already reached. Now I've raised my target to $500. Okay, so this is a real account, as you can see, and the broker I'm using is just Forex. Okay, now you can see here that we began with $30. Okay, and then we took some gold trades of which they all went, he took profit. Then I took a euro card trade of which it was I closed it, and I had a very nice setup on USDCHF, and you can see it gave me some profit. Okay, and then let's continue. And then I had also some other gold trades, as you can see here. I had this gold trade and this, and also this and that, so give me some profits. And then this other one closed me on break even, this one. Then I also had odd NSD. I had some very awesome odd NSD trades that I held onto. As you can see, I just closed them this morning, so it gave me $5, $5. I just closed all of them. Remember, the whole idea is to grow this account. Okay, and then now as you can see, as you can see here now, it's clear that the deposit was $30 and the profit made so far is $72. So our current balance is 102.75. Okay, then I already opened some trades. I have some trades running. Okay, I have some trades running. It is a real account, guys, you can see. So I have this gold trade that is running currently, and let me go to the chart. Now I'm actually on the M5. Okay, so the reason why I've taken this buy trade is because I'm using an indicator. Let me delete first. Okay, now you can see that gold has been on it's been on a downward trend. Okay, so there's a downward trend here from up there coming all the way here, and then also to another one, that is that. So you can see that it has been making lower lows and lower highs, so lower lows and lower highs. Okay, something of the sort. Now, so you can see that we are moving from lower low and lower high, lower low and lower high, lower low and another lower high. But something interesting is I like using this indicator. Is called awesome oscillator. You just go to this F button here, you click on it. Okay, and then you go down, then you find this awesome oscillator is here. Okay, it's very good because I use it to check divergence, either convergence or divergence. Okay, so let's click on it. So you don't change any setup, value up 2 pixels. You can change to 3 or 4 if you want, but I like to maintain it, levels, everything. Then you click done, so it's here. So and now you look at, let me show you something here. So you can see currently the market is moving from high to low. Okay, but the awesome oscillator is moving from low to high, so it's like the opposite. So this is what we call divergence. So, and this means the sign of reversal, that this market is going to do what? It's going to go up. And the opposite is also true. If the market is moving from low to high, and the awesome oscillator is moving from high to low, that is divergence. It means that the market is going to reverse and do what? And go down. So that's the reason why I've taken this trade, because I can see here I can see here that the market is moving from low to from high to low. Okay, from high to low. And see that market moves from high to low, and then the awesome oscillator is moving from low to high. Okay, let me draw it nicely. So the awesome oscillator is moving from low to high. Okay, from low to high like that. Okay, I believe you can be able to see that. Alright. Yeah, beautiful. So this is actually a sign of, this is actually divergence. If they move the same direction, that is convergence, but if they move opposite, then that is a divergence, which means that the market is going to go up. So I'm anticipating I'm looking for buys to the upside. I'm actually looking for buys to the upside, and as you can see that we're already actually nearing our entry. So let's see how this is going to play out. All right, so where is my stop loss? Remember, don't trade without a stop loss. You're not a magician. The market is going to take you out, okay? But the stop loss is there to prevent you from blowing your account. Okay, so I don't care who it is that has been advising you, but don't trade without a what? Don't trade without a stop loss. If you want to belong in this game, then don't trade without a stop loss. Okay, so my stop loss is just here below here, this level here. My stop loss is around 10 pips or 15 pips thereabout. Yeah, as you can see, this is my stop loss is here. Okay, yeah, so I've given market enough space here to breathe before maybe it shoots to the upside. So let's see how this goes, and let's see if we can be able to grow this account to $500. All right guys, I'll keep updating you as we go along. Okay guys, so you can see that the setup is going according to plan. All right, okay, we are already in profit. Let me show you. We are already in profit. You can see some few pips in profit. Okay, see that the gold setup is actually going to plan. It has shot all the way up. We can close some layers and hold some. So let me just close maybe 2 of them. Okay, let me just close 2 of them. Remember, don't be greedy. Okay, yeah, we close 2 of them. So because the aim is actually to grow this account. Okay, the aim is to grow this account. So let's see how the market is going to behave once we get to this level over here. Okay, there's a level whereby the market might actually might come all the way here perhaps, and then go back down like that. Okay, to that level over there. So let's see how this is going to play out. We've already closed some layers, and then this is, I'm actually on M5. Let's see on M1 what is going on. You can see, okay, you can see that the market has actually broken this level over here. Okay, actually broke this level. Perhaps this is doing it's a retracement before it continues going up. Okay, because can you see already that it's already broken at that level over there. Then also what we can do is that to find maybe places of taking some profits. We can see that there's a dominant break here. What is a dominant break? Let me first of all remove this. A dominant break is when 3 maybe bullish candlestick engulf a bearish candlestick, or when 3 bearish candlestick engulf a bullish candlestick. So you can see that it's being exemplified on this level over here. Okay, C2, I mean 3. I'm on M1, guys. So these are 3 bearish candlestick that has engulfed this bullish candlestick over there. So what you do is, maybe I'll do another video on that and explain the dominant break. So what you do is, to find places to take profit, you take the fib, then you come to the body, where the body of the last candlestick there, you put your 100 there, or level 100 there, and then the 0 will be on the lowest level over there. And then we are going to take profit. Let me go to M5. So we are going to take profit in level, this level here, 161.8 here, 161.8 over there. So that is 1841.48, 1841.48. So you take some profits there. So 1841.48. Okay, so that level and this level here. So you can take profits there in those 2 levels. Then you can hold further if you have the strength. You can hold further to this level over here, 1842, maybe 1842.99 thereabout. So our last one, you can put it at 1842.99. okay, so you can hold it. So I'm going to do another video explaining the dominant break. This is actually a dominant break buy on M1. This is whereby you see that 1, 2, 3 bullish candlesticks have engulfed this bearish candlestick over here. So that's a dominant buy break, and you see the market has actually broken this place here, so it's come to do a retracement. And then we are anticipating that we are going to see a move to the what? We are going to see a move to the upside. So let's step out of the market, and then so that we can give market time to play itself, to move, so that we see how it is going to play out. So you can see that where I'd actually pointed is actually the same place whereby the Fibonacci retracement has shown us, where you're going to take profit there. So you can take profit here, and then before maybe this market might come back again before it goes up over there. So let's step out and see how this plays out. Right guys, so we are back at it, and you can see gold has really been consolidating, and you can see that it's actually came all the way to our zone, the place where we are expecting the market to reverse. So you can see that we are in profit. So what I'm going to do is, because we are trying to grow this account, I'm going to close 2 of these. Okay, I'm going to close 2 of these, and then I'm going to hold one on break even, 1840.10, somewhere around there. Hold one on break even, so that in case it reverses, then it doesn't stop me out. Then I'm going to look for other opportunities. Okay, 1814.10. so see, I've adjusted my stop loss. You can see that actually my TP has been hit, so it can easily come back to this level over here, like I've drawn in the arrows over there, or the moment it breaks, then it is going all the way up over there. So yeah, so you can see that the account is growing. So you can see today, if I click today, see that I've already made a profit of what? Of $32. So my account now is at 106. All right, so I'm gonna hold this, and then I'm going to look for other opportunities to grow this account. So that is how actually to grow a small account. That is how you grow a small account. See, it's breaking that level. That is how to grow a small account. So we are going to take this account to 500, and I'll try as much as possible to record and to send to you. All right guys, so remember to like and to subscribe, remember to share. There will be a follow-up or maybe part 2 of this video, and yeah, hit that subscribe button and share. All right, thank you guys.